In a significant leadership transition, Captain Waheed Akhter has officially taken charge as the new president of the NYPD Muslim Officers Society. This marks a new chapter for the organization, which has grown tremendously under the leadership of Inspector Adeel Rana. Inspector Adeel Rana served as president for 12 years, making history by increasing Muslim representation in the NYPD. His leadership has paved the way for nearly 40 Muslim officers in executive ranks today. Qassar Mustafa, CEO of Pakistani American News, congratulated Captain Waheed Akhter on his new role. Expressing confidence in his leadership, he also praised Inspector Adeel Rana's dedication, stating that his legacy will continue to inspire future generations. He said, "With a new board and a strong vision, the NYPD Muslim Officers Society is set to continue its mission of empowerment, diversity and community service. We wish Captain Waheed Akhter and his team great success ahead."